Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Universe of Physics. Now I am going to discuss one more concept related to the multiplication of vectors. In that, let us consider the cross product of two vectors. That is cross product of two vectors. It is also known as vector product. Vector product. Then what do you mean by cross product of two vectors or the vector product of two vectors? We know that is the cross product of two vectors is defined as the product of magnitudes of the product of magnitudes of the given two vectors and sine of the smaller angle between the given two vectors. That is the cross product of two vectors, or it is also known as vector product of two vectors. It is defined as it is the product of magnitudes of the given two vectors and sine of the smaller angle between the given two vectors. That is, let us consider two vectors, that is vector A and vector B. These two vectors lies in the same plane. So the cross product of these two vectors you can write, that is vector A cross vector B is equal to AB sin theta n cap, where A is the magnitude of this vector A and B is the magnitude of this vector B, and theta is the smaller angle between vector A and vector B, and n cap is the unit vector in the direction of the new vector. It means the cross product of any two vectors or vector product of any two vectors is always a vector quantity. Then what is the direction of that new vector quantity? Because it possesses both magnitude as well as direction. Then what is the direction of that vector quantity? The direction of that vector quantity is always perpendicular to the plane containing the given two vectors. That is, you can write like this. This is the new vector. Let it be vector C. That should be equal to vector A cross vector C is equal to AB sin theta n cap. This is the new vector quantity, and its direction is always perpendicular to the plane containing the given two vectors. Here vector A and vector B lies in the same plane. Then these two vectors lies in the same plane, vector A and vector B. This is the new vector, which is always perpendicular to the plane containing the given two vectors. And it can be understood by considering the right hand screw rule or right hand thumb rule. So let us consider a screw like this, that is let us consider a screw and two vectors are fixed here. Vector A, this is vector B, and this is the angle theta between the given two vectors. So if you rotate this screw in the anti-clockwise direction, clockwise direction, the tip of the screw is along this direction. If you rotate this in the anti-clockwise direction, or in clockwise direction, then the tip of the screw indicates the direction of the new vector quantity. Suppose if you rotate this screw or from B to A like this, then the direction of the screw is along downward. In the previous case this is upward, in the second case it is downward. It means in both the cases the direction of the new vector is always perpendicular to the plane containing the given two vectors. Whether it is in upward direction or in downward direction, it is always perpendicular to the plane containing the given two vectors. This is about cross product of two vectors. Then what are the examples for cross product of two vectors? Let us consider, that is, first example, torque, that is vector tau is equal to vector r cross vector f. Torque is nothing but torque is the cross product of force vector and position vector r cross vector f. Similarly, that is vector L is equal to vector r cross vector p. That is angular momentum is the cross product of position vector r and momentum vector, linear momentum vector p. And one more example, that is vector v is equal to vector r into vector omega. That is linear velocity is equal to cross product of, that is displacement vector and angular velocity vector. These are all the examples for cross product of two vectors. Once again, the cross product of two vectors or vector product of two vectors is defined as it is the product of magnitudes of the given two vectors and sine of the angle between smaller angle between the given two vectors, and it is a vector quantity. It means the cross product of two vectors or vector product of any two vectors is always a vector quantity and whose direction is always perpendicular to the plane containing the given two vectors. And the direction of that new vector quantity we can analyze with the help of that right hand screw rule or right hand thumb rule. And the examples for this cross product of two vectors here: torque, angular momentum, and relation between linear velocity and angular velocity, that is v is equal to r omega. These are all examples for cross product of two vectors. Okay friends, if you like this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.